Precision medicine allows us to identify the genetic makeup of tumors.
Precision medicine differs from traditional approaches to cancer treatment. We study the makeup of that individual's cancer cells and then target the abnormality in their cancer cells as opposed to looking at a population of patients with their particular illness.
The genome sequencing process is the use of novel technologies named next-gen sequencing that allow reading the DNA of the tumor in a much more thorough way than previously.
We have a team of physicians that are available to then analyze those data, work with the primary treating physician to determine what treatment is best for that individual patient. And therefore, we can develop precise treatments for that person's cancer based on that genomic makeup.
The different options will be drugs that already exist that are FDA approved for a given type of disease. For those instances where a drug is not available but a target is easily identified, the first step will be inclusion into clinical trials. And we have multiple clinical trials activated at Wake Forest Baptist Medical Center that patients will have access to based on the genetic makeup of their tumor. A last possibility is using other drugs that are FDA approved but are not approved for the type of tumor that the patient was diagnosed with.
The array of drugs available to try to find an effective agent for as many patients as possible needs to be broad, and we're trying to accomplish that through partnerships and our clinical trials activity. We're very dependent on you as referring physician to help us identify the appropriate patient. This will be patients who have either refractory or relapse disease for which you do not have what you would determine to be effective treatments. They also need a performance status of 2 or better, so they're up and out of bed and active at least half the time, and they can therefore tolerate whatever treatment we come up with. The potential cancers to treat with precision medicine is broad. The more common diseases, breast cancer, lung cancer, colon cancer will be among the more common ones, but other GI cancers such as pancreatic cancers, stomach cancers, appendix cancers, or things such as melanoma, and some of the blood cancers, such as leukemias and lymphomas, are also candidates for precision medicine.
We function as a hub for referring physician. We're available to see patients that need a consultation in precision medicine. We're available to advise them on the timing and the suitability of patient to be referred for this initiative.
We're one of 41 comprehensive cancer centers in the United States. That means that we are recognized for and we're committed to expertise in clinical care, education, and research. Beyond that, though, it really comes down to we're committed to taking care of patients. Precision medicine program is an approach to personalize the treatment for patients based on their particular cancer cells.
Wake Forest Baptist Medical Center has remained a comprehensive cancer center for more than 20 years. The combination of a leading expertise in the field of cancer and leaders in the field of genomics provide the perfect match for precision medicine.